Hello friends, welcome to the lecture on fats and oils, an introduction part. Fats and oils are the most abundant lipids in nature. They provide energy for living organisms, insulate body organs, and transport fat-soluble vitamins through the blood. The structure of fats and oils. Fats and oils are called triglycerides or triacylglycerols because they are esters composed of three fatty acid units joined to glycerol, a trihydroxy alcohol. So what is a glycerol? It is a trihydroxy alcohol, and this glycerol is attached to fatty acid units. So here we see three fatty acid molecules with a molecule of glycerol in presence of catalyst. It forms a triglyceride with the elimination of three water molecules. If all the three OH groups on the glycerol molecule are esterified with the same fatty acid, the resulting ester is called a simple triglyceride. Although simple triglycerides have been synthesized in the laboratory, they rarely occur in nature. Instead, a typical triglyceride obtained from naturally occurring fats and oils contains two or three different fatty acid components and is thus termed as mixed triglyceride. So here we see a tristyrene. This is a simple triglyceride, whereas a mixed diglyceride on the right hand side with three different fatty acid units. A triglyceride is called a fat if it is a solid at 25 degrees centigrade. It is called an oil if it is a liquid at 25 degrees centigrade. These differences in melting points reflect differences in the degree of unsaturation and number of carbon atoms in the constituent fatty acids. Triglycerides obtained from animal sources are usually solids, while those of plant origin are generally oils. Therefore, we commonly speak of animal fats and vegetable oils. So, you might have heard of vegetable oils like groundnut oil or soybean oil or mustard oil, sunflower oil. So, these are all of plant origin, and the solids are the animal sources. Terms such as saturated fat or unsaturated oil are often used to describe the fats or oils obtained from foods. Saturated fats contain a high proportion of saturated fatty acids, while unsaturated oils contain a high proportion of unsaturated fatty acids. So here's the difference, that saturated fat, it contains saturated fatty acids, and unsaturated oil, it contains high proportion of unsaturated fatty acids. The high consumption of saturated fats is a factor along with the high consumption of cholesterol in increased risks of heart disease. So we should have a limited intake of these fats and oils. Thank you.